Most people get this wrong when choosing between streaming TV and cable. They assume the cheaper option is always better. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is not just price, it is flexibility, hidden fees, and how you actually watch TV every day. In this video, we are breaking down Hulu Live TV versus Spectrum in 2026, and helping you decide which one is actually worth paying for. Let's start immediately. First, understand what you are comparing. On one side you have Hulu Live TV from Hulu, which is an internet-based live TV service. On the other side, you have Spectrum TV from Charter Communications, which is traditional cable TV delivered through a set-top box or streaming app. Now here's where it gets interesting. These two services may look similar on paper, but the way you use them is completely different. Let's talk pricing first. Hulu Live TV usually offers one bundled price that includes live channels, Disney, and ESPN. Spectrum often advertises lower base prices, but here's the problem. Once you add broadcast fees, equipment rental, and regional charges, the final bill is often much higher than expected. Now let's talk flexibility. This is where Hulu wins for most users. You can stream on phones, tablets, smart TVs, or anywhere with internet. No cable box required. But here's the problem with Spectrum for modern users. It is tied to location and hardware. If you move or travel often, setup becomes less convenient. Now here's where Spectrum still has an advantage. In areas with unstable internet or heavy streaming congestion, cable can sometimes feel more stable than streaming. So for households that want simple, traditional TV without buffering concerns, Spectrum still works. Let's break it down with a real example. Jake lives in a city apartment and watches mostly sports highlights, Netflix-style content, and on-demand shows. Hulu Live TV fits him better because he wants flexibility and no equipment hassle. Now compare that to John, who lives in a suburban home with multiple TVs and prefers traditional channel surfing. Spectrum feels more familiar and stable for him. Now let's talk hidden value. Hulu includes streaming bundles and DVR features without extra equipment. Spectrum often charges for DVR, receivers, and premium channel add-ons separately. So which one is worth paying in 2026? If you want flexibility, lower long-term cost, and streaming-first viewing, Hulu Live TV is usually the better choice. If you prefer traditional cable structure and do not want to rely heavily on apps or internet streaming, Spectrum can still make sense. Final takeaway. Hulu is built for modern streaming lifestyles. Spectrum is built for traditional cable households. The right choice depends on how you actually watch TV, not just the price on the website. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment with your setup, and subscribe for more clear comparisons like this.